Welcome to our comparison of two innovative solutions for laundry in small spaces: the portable clothes dryer and the portable washing machine. Both products are designed to cater to the needs of those living in apartments, RVs, or dormitories. Today, we will explore their features, advantages, and limitations to help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The portable clothes dryer boasts a compact design, making it easy to store and transport. Weighing only 2.6 pounds, it is perfect for small spaces. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is also lightweight at 3.3 pounds and features a foldable design, allowing it to fit into tight areas. Both products prioritize portability, but the dryer is slightly more compact when folded. The Apto VPVP portable clothes dryer is designed specifically for drying clothes, offering two drying modes. In contrast, the Mihiki portable washing machine combines washing and spin drying functions, making it a versatile option for users who need both capabilities. However, the drying function of the washing machine is limited compared to a dedicated dryer. When it comes to performance, the portable clothes dryer is effective for small loads, providing a quiet operation and customizable drying times. However, it may struggle with larger items. The portable washing machine, while capable of washing and spin drying, may leave clothes damp due to its limited drying function. Both products excel in their respective areas, but have limitations based on the types of items they can handle. In conclusion, the choice between the portable clothes dryer and the portable washing machine ultimately depends on your specific laundry needs. If you primarily need a dryer for small loads, the Apto VPVP is a solid choice. However, if you require a machine that can wash and spin dry, the Mihiki offers that versatility. Consider your space, the types of clothing you wash, and your drying needs before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.